Hey guys, this is Kevin from jazztime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 36, reference number 116200. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so as of February 2018, you can get this watch from an authorized Rolex retailer for $6,600 plus tax, or you can check out our website here at jazztime.com for the lowest prices anywhere online before you make your purchase. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right into the dial. So the dial I specifically have here is the floral patterning dial, which is a special dial for the Rolex Datejust watches. You can find this on the Rolex Datejust 36, as I have in my hand here. Also the fluted bezel version, which is a 116234. And this is a special patterning just specifically for Datejust. Absolutely gorgeous. We have this floral patterning in the background. Honestly, it looks like it's a little bit raised a little bit, so it has a little dimension to it. It only has a numerals, the Arabic numerals 6 and 9 for the landmarks, and the date at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easy viewing of that date. So while it is a special dial from Rolex, of course, there's also different dial configurations if you don't like the floral patterning. But if you do like the floral patterning, it only comes in 3 colors, which is a silver, which I have in my hand here, and also a pink and brown. If you're just interested in more just the very general, very basic Rolex Datejust watches, it also comes in index hour markers and Roman numerals, and that comes in a silver, white, black, blue, or pink dial. Also for Arabic numerals such as the 6 and the 9, but all throughout the watch, from 1 to 12, you're looking at black dial, silver dial, or a special silver dial with blue Arabic numerals, so where the Arabic numerals are colored in the blue instead. But besides that, that's pretty much it for the Rolex Datejust dials. It just has numerous different configurations, but always follows just a very simple dial pattern, which is just the hour markers and the Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position. The Arabic numerals, the hour, minute, and seconds hand, along with that Rolex crown logo, is all fashioned in 18 karat white gold to prevent any tarnishing, and it has a very nice shine to it as well. That shine matches very nicely as we move along to the bezel now. The bezel is just a nice steel domed bezel. As you can see, very beautiful high polish that matches with the lugs of the case, which is, as you can see from the top, nice high polish. On the bottom of the lugs, nice high polish as well. And that really just goes very nicely with that bezel and the high polish on the hands as well, all matching and patterning very beautifully. The size of the case, we're looking at a 36mm case. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 36mm in diameter. And for the side profile of the watch, we're looking at not too high of a profile. Will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely. As you can see, very nice high polish from the side of the case down to the bracelet. On the other side as well, we have that same high polish from the side of the case down to the sides of the bracelet. Okay. As we move on to the crown now, the crown has a Rolex logo on the crown itself. It is a screw-down twin lock double waterproofing system, meaning this watch has a water resistance of 100 meters or 330 feet. The crown itself simply unscrews counterclockwise as shown to the standard position. And in this position, you can actually wind the watch from a dead stop. About 15 to 20 clockwise turns as shown is all you need to get the watch started once more. A simple tugging of the crown will allow you to change the date. As shown at the 3 o'clock position, you can see how easily I can go through those dates just by going clockwise, that instantaneous changing of that date. A simple tug of the crown to the final position will stop the seconds hand. Once more, I'll show you that again. You can see the seconds hand moving there. And pulling crown out to that final position will stop it. And that's for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set this time of the watch down to the exact seconds, while being able to adjust the hands as shown. Okay, always make sure crown back in against the case to start that second hand once more, and screw it nice and tight in, as you want to keep this watch nice and protected. You don't want that crown sticking out and damage it by accidentally bumping into something. Also, having the crown nice and tight against the case will keep that water resistance that I mentioned before. As we move on to the bracelet now, the bracelet is a very beautiful bracelet made out of 904L steel, which is a Rolex in-house made steel that has additional corrosion resistance and a little more extra shine to the steel. We have a nice contrasting of the satin finish or brushed steel of the outer of the 3-piece oyster bracelet, matching with that, contrasting with that high polish down the center of the bracelet. As you can see, it really brings more shine out of the bracelet. and it's patterned throughout the whole watch as well. Okay. This part of the bracelet is the clasp. The clasp located with the Rolex crown logo and this little and the thickness of that. Simply opening up the clasp will reveal the high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed onto the high polished clasp blade there. So once again, here's how it looks closed. And once again, open again. We'll open that folding clasp, and there we are. Okay. So moving on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this very simple oyster case backing. It's Rolex's in-house made movement. It's a perpetual mechanical self-winding movement. It's their caliber 3135 movement, which is a really tried and tested movement. This is a movement that has existed for over 30 years now. So you know this movement is an extremely reliable movement. It's also used in Rolex sports pieces such as the Submariner, the Deep Sea, and other Datejust models as well. So it's one of Rolex's top movements, a very reliable movement, as it does have a precision within Swiss specs, which is -2 + 2 seconds a day. And you actually see at the very 6 o'clock position, you'll see that superlative chronofied certification at the bottom there. The functions of the movement just has the simple functions of the center, hour, minute, and second hand with instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting and stopping of the second hand, as I've shown you with the crown functions. The oscillator for this watch is a paramagnetic blue parachrome hairspring, which is an oscillator that has additional resistance against magnetism. And the power reserve of this watch is 48 hours, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist now. So once again, locate that folding oyster clasp, opens up as so, closes up very nicely. One thing to keep in mind, I do have a average man size wrist, which is a 7-inch wrist. You can see a little bit of wiggle room there. Okay, and there's the watch. Okay, absolutely gorgeous dial, very unique dial by Rolex. This dial style only exists in the Rolex Datejust models. So if you're looking for a gift for her, this is a very, very unique gift for her. Okay. So if you're interested in purchasing this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at jazztime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model, and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.